Transform your life with these 10 game-changing hacks. Introduction. Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, challenges, and opportunities. Along the way, we often find ourselves yearning for positive change and personal growth. The good news is that you don't need a major life overhaul to start making a difference. Small, intentional changes can lead to transformative outcomes. In this guide, we'll explore 10 life-changing hacks that can help you navigate the path to a more fulfilling and enriched existence. Embrace the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a potent force that can reshape your outlook on life. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Whether it's the warmth of the sun on your face, the support of loved ones, or the opportunities that come your way, acknowledging these positive aspects can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Cultivate a growth mindset. The way you perceive challenges and setbacks significantly influences your ability to overcome them. Adopting a growth mindset means viewing obstacles as opportunities for learning and development rather than insurmountable barriers. Embrace challenges with the belief that you can grow and improve through effort and perseverance. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Make time for activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a walk in nature, or practicing mindfulness, prioritize self-care to recharge and maintain your overall well-being. Establish healthy habits. Small, consistent habits can lead to significant positive changes over time. Focus on building habits that align with your goals, whether it's regular exercise, a balanced diet, or daily reflection. Celebrate your successes along the way, reinforcing the positive behaviors that contribute to your well-being. Master the art of time management. Time is a finite resource, and how you manage it can impact every aspect